Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 81 to the power of 6 minus 81 to the power of 5 and its whole square root. We write this expression into the simplified form, but calculator is not allowed in this problem. This means that we need to show all of the working on this paper. And we move toward the solution of this problem. Here the very first thing we are going to do is first we rewrite this expression as this is 81 to the power of 6, and we write this 6 as 5 plus 1 minus this is 81 to the power of 5. And further we use here the nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m plus n equals to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. According to this rule of exponents, we just break this exponent as in this form, and it will be written as square root of 81 to the power of 5 multiplied by 81 minus 81 to the power of 5. And now further in the next step, here we need to take common 81 to the power of 5 inside the square root sign, and we obtain 81 to the power of 5 times of 81 minus 1. And further in the next step we need little bit more simplifications, and it will be written as this is 81 to the power of 5. We again break this 5 as 4 plus 1, and this 81 minus 1 becomes here 80. So here we use another radical law, and further we use the above exponential line to the first term, and this will be written as in this form. We know about that if we have square root of a multiplied by b, so this is equals to square root of a multiplied by square root of b. So according to this rule, we first just break the radical sign, and we apply the radical separately on both of these two values, and it will becomes here square root of 81 to the power of 4 plus 1, and we write it as 81 to the power of 4 multiplied by 81, and further we apply square root on 80, and it will becomes here in this form. And in the next step we have here, we again use this radical law, and we again apply this square root sign on both of these two terms, and it will be written as this is 81 to the power of 4, and we write it as 81 square and its whole square. So we write this exponent 4 as 2 to the exponent of 2, and here we apply the square root sign on 81, and here we have this is square root of 80, and we write square root of 80 as 16 times of 5. We know that 16 times of 5 becomes 80. And now here you see that this 2 and this square root are gone, and we will get here 81 square, and here you know that the square root of 81 becomes 9, and here we again break the square root sign, and we apply square root on 16 and square root on 5. And in the next step here we need to multiply 81 with 81. So we write 81 square as in this form, 81 multiplied by 81 multiplied by this is 9, and we know that the square root of 16 becomes 4, and here we have this is square root of 5. So here we need to multiply all these bigger numbers without using the calculator. So we first break this 81 as this is 81 times we have 81, and we write 81 as 80 plus 1, and here we multiply 9 times 4. We know that 9 times 4 becomes 36 times of square root of 5. And here we multiply this 81 separately on both of these two values, and it will becomes here 81 multiplied by 80 plus 81 multiplied by 1 becomes 81. First we need to simplify these terms, and its resulting answer is multiplied by this term 36 times of square root of 5. So here we consider this is one digit number, and this is our two digit number. So 0 times 81 becomes 0, and 8 times 81 becomes 8 ones are 8, 8 8s are 64 plus This is 81, and here we need to sum up both of these two values, and its resulting answer is multiplied by 36 times of square root of 5. So here first we need to sum up these values, and we have this is 0 plus 1 becomes 1, 8 plus 8 becomes 16, we write 6 and carry 1, so 4 plus 1 becomes here 5, and this is our 6. So we multiply this term with 36, and we break this 36 as 30 plus 6, and it is multiplied by square root of 5. And in the next step we need to multiply this term on both of these two values, and it will becomes here, this is 6561 is multiplied by 30 plus 6561 is multiplied by 6 times of square root of 5. So we need to multiply these two bigger numbers, and here again we consider this is one digit number and this is our two digit number. 0 times this number becomes 0, 3 times this number equals to 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, we write 8 and carry 1, 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1 becomes 16, we write 6 and carry 1, 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 1 becomes 19. Plus we multiply this value with this, and we get 6 ones are 6, 6 6 are 36, we write 6 and carry 3, 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 3 becomes 33, we write 3 and carry 3, 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 3 becomes here 39, and its resulting answer is multiplied by square root of 5. So here we need to sum up these two values, and we get our resulting answer. So we have 0 plus 6 becomes 6, and 3 plus 6 becomes 9, 8 plus 3 becomes 11, we write 1 and carry 1. So 6 plus 9 becomes 15, 15 plus 1 becomes 16, we write 6 and carry 1. So this is 9 plus 3 becomes 12, 12 plus 1 becomes 13, we write 3 and carry 1, and 1 plus 1 becomes here 2. So we get 2 3 6 1 9 6 times of square root of 5. This is the final simplified form of the given question, and this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.